Today we'll learn what perimeter is and how to calculate it. So perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape, like a square or a parallelogram, for example. And if we know the lengths of each of our sides, we can calculate the perimeter of our shape. So the perimeter is, I guess, a fancy way of saying, if I had a field and I wanted to put a fence around it, how much fencing would I need? Or how long is a path that goes around the edge of our shape? So there's a few different ways of thinking about perimeter, but it's the length of the outside of the shape. So let's have a look at some examples of this. So in our part A, right, we're asked to find the perimeter of these polygons, and polygons is just a fancy word for shape. Alright, so for our first one, we need to find the length of each of our sides individually. So in our first bit, we have 1, 2, 3, so the side length here is 3. If I go across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 6 across, another 3 down, and 6 across again. Alright, so that means my perimeter, 3 plus a 6 plus a 3 plus a 6, and that is equal to, so I have 3 plus 6 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 6 is 18. So I have a total of 18 is my perimeter. In part B, right, all of the sides are given to us already. So for part A, we had that our side lengths weren't given to us, whereas in part B, they are given to us. So we can just read them off. They're 10, 12, and 9. So that means my perimeter is equal to 10 plus 12 plus 9. And that is going to be equal to, so I have 10 plus 12 is 22 plus 9, and that is 31 centimeters, because I have a unit given to me in this case. So 31 centimeters. Now part C looks similar to part B, only we're missing two side lengths. Right, these two are on the outside, we don't have. However, we do have these symbols. Right, so these symbols mean that every side with this symbol going through it has the same length. So I know that if this length here is 6, this one here is also 6, and this one over here is also 6 as well. So then overall, my perimeter would be equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 11. And overall, that would be 29. And again, my units are in centimeters.